Do you have a YouTube channel? Are you thinking about starting one? Do you want to know how much you'll get paid each month with Google AdSense? Well, the numbers vary, and I'm here to share my experience with you and my number from what I made my first month being monetized on YouTube. Welcome back to Inside the Box. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and follow along with my channel. We like to talk about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have, the things that are inside your box. I primarily talk about reselling on eBay, but another way I make money is through YouTube. And this is something anyone can do, really. All you need is a camera and the ability to access the internet and a topic to talk about. So if you have those things already in your box, if those are some skills and tools that you have, then you could start making money well, maybe not today. It takes some time to get monetized, and we'll get into that. But disclaimer here, this is not a bragging video. This is purely for information. When I started my YouTube channel and was waiting to get monetized and wanting to know how much I could make, I watched these videos to kind of get an idea. But it was so tricky because each channel is different. Everyone makes a different amount depending on what they talk about, how long their videos are, the quality of their videos. Each video changes by how much you get paid. But if you're like me, you've already watched like 6 of these videos, so I'm gonna just jump right into it. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. When I started YouTube, I had the goal of hitting those achievements within 3 years. It took me 1.5 years actually, and I got monetized. I started my channel in February of 2020, and my channel got monetized in July of 2021. So it took me 1.5 years, half the time that I was planning on, which was awesome. And I'm going to show you right now my YouTube analytics here. So here you can see I got monetized on July 6th of 2021. So this isn't like full month. I'm missing 5 days of the month here, but you can get an idea of what my first paycheck was. So you can see here it was $160.43. Now this amount is going to be different for everyone depending on the topics of your videos. Maybe you have a crafting channel, maybe you're a reseller like me and have a channel like that. Maybe you can expect something around this price range, and it also depends on the videos. I do a lot of how-tos. Other resellers do what solds and thrift hauls, so every video is different. So that is the number I've made on YouTube my first month being monetized just from Google AdSense. Now there are more ways to make money on YouTube than with advertisements. I'm not going to dive too deep into anything. I just really want to share the numbers because there are a lot of other YouTube videos out there that explain these things really well. But if you guys have more questions about YouTube, I'd be happy to make more videos. If you want to see more numbers about what I make, whether or not my channel goes up and I make more than this a month or less than this a month, but I'm probably going to do a recap of 2021 to show you what I made the rest of the year as well. So make sure you hit the notification bell to keep an eye out for that video. Now I want to show you a website you can go to maybe get an idea of how much your channel is worth in advertisements if you're waiting to be monetized. This is called Social Blade, and I will link the website in the description box below. But if you go here and you type in your channel's name, mine is Inside the Box, in this little search bar here, I'm gonna search it. So this is my channel. You can see different statistics here. Like at the time of this video, I'm filming this, there have been 65 uploads on my YouTube channel, and anyone can go look up this. You guys can go in and type Inside the Box and see these statistics. Type in anyone's YouTube channel you're curious about, and you can see their statistics here on Social Blade. And this is completely free to do this. So I have 1.7K subscribers at the time of filming this video. So with all this information, this is what Social Blade is predicting I would make from Google AdSense a month. So the monthly earning prediction here is anywhere between $4 and $67. And you guys just saw my analytics on YouTube, and I'm making a lot more than that a month. So before I got monetized, I got on Social Blade to kind of fill it out and be like, okay, what might I make once I get monetized on YouTube? And actually the number was higher than it's showing today. It was predicting $5 to $75 a month. And so I thought, okay, if I make $5, so if I make $5 my first month being monetized on YouTube, that would be a huge success, and I'd be super excited about it. Well, I ended up making a lot more than $5 my first month. So you guys can go type in your channels and get that comparison here. Compare it to other people's channels that are in the same genre that you film in. And you might get an idea of what you could make per month. From my experience, but everyone's experience is probably going to be different. I made a lot more than this, so that was exciting. But I was hoping low so that I would be really excited when I got a higher number. So you can see here on my banner, new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And if you guys have been following me for a while, I got monetized and then life got crazy. And I'll do another video about that when I share how much I made in 2021 on YouTube. So those are my numbers, and that's also with just uploading 2 videos a month of July. The great thing about this number is I put a video up. These videos, I put them up over a year ago now, and they're still making me money every day. It's a little bit every day, but every little bit adds up. And at some point, it's kind of a numbers game. How many videos can you get out? So how you can make 5 pennies on each video a day, but if you have thousands of videos out, you'd be making a lot more money. So if any of you were curious like I was, that is the number of what I made my first month being monetized on YouTube. I could go into so much more detail about this, but I don't know if my audience wants that. So let me know in the comments below if you want more information about YouTube and more into strategies and more into what I've been doing that's worked and what hasn't worked. Let me know in the comments below. So that's how much I made being monetized on YouTube, $160.43. I wanted to keep this video kind of short and just give you the number. If you guys want more YouTube details, if you have more YouTube questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, that number is just from AdSense. That does not include any affiliates. If you guys want to know more about making money with affiliate marketing, or different ways you can make money with YouTube. If you guys want a more in-depth video about making money on YouTube, let me know in the comments below and I'd be more than happy to make that for you if I get enough interest in it. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys join as we talk about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have. Thanks everyone, and I will catch you in my next video.